Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making a creamy, cheesy chicken spaghetti. For our ingredients, we have chicken breast, Italian seasoning, salt and pepper, olive oil, butter, diced onion, yellow onion, garlic, flour, chicken broth, milk, cream cheese, cheddar cheese, diced tomatoes and chilies, thin spaghetti, mozzarella, red pepper flakes, and parsley for garnish. So you're going to slice your chicken in half lengthwise to create 2 thinner slices. We're going to pat dry and season lightly with salt and pepper and Italian seasoning. We're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. Here we are adding our olive oil. We're going to heat our olive oil over medium-high heat, and we're going to sear our chicken on each side anywhere from 5 to 6 minutes. And now we're going to start laying down our chicken, and we're going to cook it on both sides anywhere from 5 to 6 minutes. Then we're going to remove it and we're going to set it aside, and you want to dice it into bite-sized pieces once it has cooled enough to handle. Once it is done, we're going to take it out and we're going to put it on a plate and we're going to set it aside. Now we're going to make our sauce. Now that we have finished frying our chicken, you want to reduce your heat to medium-low. We're going to melt our butter in the same pot that we use to cook our chicken. You want to use a spatula to clean up the chicken bits from the bottom of your pot. We call this fond. It gives the sauce a nice flavor. We're going to add our onions and we're going to cook until they are softened for about 4 minutes. Next, we're going to add in our garlic, and we're going to cook our garlic for 1 minute. Next, we're going to sprinkle our flour over our onions, and we're going to toss the coat. You want to cook this for about 2 minutes until you can no longer smell your flour. Next, we're going to add in our chicken broth into splashes to maintain the thickness of our roux. Once you're done adding your chicken broth, we're going to add in our milk. You want to whisk your milk in until it is fully combined and smooth. Now here's a good time to cook your pasta if you haven't cooked your pasta. You want to cook your pasta according to the package instructions and drain once it is finished. Meanwhile, let the sauce simmer and reduce while the pasta water heats up. We're going to add our softened cream cheese and stir continuously until it has melted and it is smooth. This step can be more difficult if your cream cheese is cold. Now we're going to reduce our heat to low, and we're going to let the base cool a bit. Next, we're going to sprinkle our cheddar cheese and stir to combine. If you like to thin the sauce out, add a little bit of juices from your diced tomatoes. Otherwise, drain the juices and add the tomatoes along with the chicken. And next, I'm gonna add in my chicken. As you can see, I'm cutting up my chicken and I'm adding it in. So we're gonna stir to combine. And next, so here I'm just adding my spaghetti, and we're just gonna mix our spaghetti in. And once you have finished stirring in your spaghetti, you could either transfer it to a lightly greased 9x13 casserole dish, but here I'm using a dish that I could just add to my oven. So now you wanna top it with your cheese, and you wanna bake uncovered for 15 minutes. You want to brown your top slightly. You want to broil from anywhere from 1 to 2 minutes at 475. You want to watch closely during this time. We're going to remove it from the oven and we're going to garnish with red pepper flakes and fresh parsley. And we're going to serve it with a side of garlic bread and cheese. And here it is out of the oven. I did not want to brown my top. I just wanted to melt my cheese. We have made a cheesy, creamy chicken spaghetti. If you like this video and you'd like to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.